Yo, yo, what's up, guys? This is Reggio here with 7910 back again, working on a project from zero using only my sample pack, my new sample pack with 7910. The second sample pack I'm doing with them. So let's start off with a new blank project. I'm going to be only using the 7910 presets and samples. I'm going to be starting off with a drop. Let me see. I'm going to be placing up a kick. So here we have. Okay, I think I'm going to be using the first one. Might be doing a dark progressive drop, as a lot of people asked me for. Let's go 128 with the project. Let's paste the kick. So as you can see, I'm going to be working from zero, the whole track, only using the sample pack and only using the presets that are in the sample pack, which are for Silence, Spire, and Serum. So let's start off. Okay. I'm going to bring some ambience claps. Okay, let's put this one in. Copy, copy, copy again. Oh, the volume. Okay, sounds cool. So we don't have the kick all dry. Okay, I like starting off with the bass line first, and then I really love playing with the keyboard, trying out melodies. Like I can do 5 different melodies in 1 minute, like going crazy with the keyboard. So I'm gonna just play a bass line, and then we start off going on from there. Gonna open up Serum. No, let's open up Spire. Okay, let's go with the load bank. Here we have the bank. Let's put some sidechain here. We're just gonna use the kickstart. Second preset. Okay, I think I'm gonna work on E, which is one of my favorite keys to work on. Okay, I'm gonna record something random so you guys can see I can work really easily with the pack. Okay, I'm gonna tweak a bit the notes, quantize and fix some stuff. Okay, this is quantize. Okay, let's go on with this. I'm gonna duplicate. Okay, another thing I do is once I have something really basic, I already drag in my master chain where I have all the plugins and the order of the plugins already set up. And I already start tweaking the master. Meanwhile, I'm working on the mix. So that's something I already did for a couple of years ago. So that's how I work. There's people that does the master after working on the track, but I like to do it at the same time, So yeah. Let's put a compressor here on the kick. Another thing I do is okay, let's name this bass 1. I'm gonna do a group together with the kick and the bass called bass kick. We can press these two. I'm gonna add an EQ to know what's going on. I'm gonna add a glue compressor. Okay, cool. Let's move on. I'm gonna tweak a bit more of this bass because it's doing some weird stuff. Quantize everything again. Okay, cool. I'm gonna start playing around some melodies. Let's open up Spire again. Let's work on some top melodies. Oh no, love preset. No. Let's load the bank. Spire bank. Let's go to the leads. Let's put, okay, I'm gonna create the group because I always do layers of leads. So I'm gonna create a group already, and I'm gonna start putting all the leads on the group. So I just put one sidechain here. Okay. Let's not go too low. Let's put an EQ here to take out these low. Let's give it a bit of body. Let's add some, okay, another EQ here in the group and a compressor for the rest of the layers to have it all compact in the group. All the leads really solid, sounding as one. Okay, let's use this one. I'm not really gonna go crazy with selecting each preset. I want to show you guys how quickly you can make in this example, a dark progressive track really quickly just using the sample pack. I'm not gonna be using any other samples, so yeah, I'm gonna duplicate this, open up a different lead. Okay, let's see how it sounds both. Okay, there's one going a little bit higher. Yeah, this one's going higher, so let's take this one down. Another plugin I like to use on the leads is OTT. So let's open up OTT from Xfer. Check down the depth. As you see, it gives it a lot of more metallic sound, more brightness as well. Let's try out some melodies. Kickstart in a second. Okay, let me try some more melodies and we see which one is the best, and I start tweaking the notes individually. Let me try some other melody because I always try 4 or 5 different melodies and I say, okay, this one is the right one. So as you see, I'm starting every time. This is something signature from Reggio. It's starting with the low octave of the lead, going like a stab, you know, sound, like, and then doing the rest of the melody. So this is something I started doing with the first tracks I released as Reggio. So yeah, I'm trying out something like that because I know a lot of people ask me, which are those stabs that you put on the beginning of each drop? And it's actually just the lead going like from the lower octave. So yeah. Yeah, let me record something like this, which is pretty similar to the tracks I've been releasing, like Mental, Supernova, and all these. Okay, I'm gonna fix a bit that end because I was playing randomly like a melody, but yeah. I think we can make a better lead sound. So anyways, this is just for working on the melody on top of the bass line and the kick, but then I start tweaking again the lead sound. So we'll go back to that after fixing up the melody. Okay, so it's doing weird shit because I have the automations of the pitch. So I'm gonna put this. Let's do it a bit more aggressive here. I'm gonna duplicate the beginning of the melody here. It's the same as the first part. Oh, let me take out this. Okay, let's delete this and copy this. Let's fix this. Yeah, that's the idea I have in mind. I don't know. Okay, this sounds pretty Reggio-ish, as you can see. Let's tweak a bit of the synths. I already want to hear that really fat synth on. Okay, I duplicated the channel. I'm gonna search for another lead. Okay, let's put the octave up. Okay, I see the kick is losing a bit of presence, so I'm gonna lower a bit the synths, the bass. Touch a bit the master, see how it's going. What I do is put meter here, level meter. So I put it on peak and RMS. Always try to keep the RMS -5, -6. Leave it here for now. Okay, let's compress a bit the whole mix. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a bit of ambience because right now it sounds only the bass, the kick, and the leads. So I want some more white noise going around. So here in the pack, I have a folder called effects, which I have noisy effects. Let's see, break effect. Let's add this crowd. Crowd always works on these kind of energetic drops. Something really low, like you can't barely hear it, but if you take it out, you know it's something missing. Let's add a bit more of sidechain going on. Okay, more noise. Drop effects. Let's drag this in.